Jamaica, or Hebraically known as YaMicah, has finally received the gospel preached in the one true name. Watch Jamaica receive the revelation of the sacred name of YAHWAH and baptism, the way it was done in the early assembly.
Let me therefore bring greetings in the name of YAHWAH. I thank YAHWAH for allowing us to meet with Apostle Bishop Paul Prulal. I am Apostle Bishop Vincent Powell from Jamaica, and the Holy Spirit YAHWAH have revealed to us to baptize in His name, and this is an awesome truth. It's revealing. There are some hidden truth in the scriptures is revealing in these end time. Thank YAHWAH for sending His servant Apostle Bishop Paul Prulal, and my wife is Prophetess Powell, woman of YAHWAH. And guess what? She received an awesome revelation in her dream last night, which I want you to hear her dream. And thank YAHWAH for allowing us to receive His truth, to be a part of His divine teaching.
Bless the Lord, bless you all. I'm happy to be here this afternoon with you as we just reveal what YAHWAH has revealed unto us. Amen. I'm just giving God thanks, amen, for Apostle Bishop Paul Prudal and his wife, Sister Lindal. Amen. Last night I got a vision. Amen. We were in a narrow path. I saw that we were in a narrow path. And YAHWAH came down while we were in the narrow path. And He began to speak with my husband, Apostle Bishop Vincent Powell. Amen. The Lord was saying that we need to re-covenanted back with Him under His name, YAHWAH. So today we decided to make a re-covenant under the name YAHWAH. Amen. God is revealing, YAHWAH is revealing His truth unto His people. And today, amen, if you're watching this video, amen, receive the truth of YAHWAH.
And we are excited to go immersed. We want to baptize in the name of YAHWAH and to teach others the truth. Amen. This is the hour when YAHWAH releasing His truth, revealing His truth, and every false teaching will come down, will go under.
Amen.
And the teaching of YAHWAH come alive as never before. It's my pleasure to bring you greetings in the name of YAHWAH.
Now
Dear viewers, we are living in the last days. We invest time and effort to bring you quality content for the benefit of your soul. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. You will receive notifications on when we upload new videos and when we stream our services live. If this video has edified you, give it a thumbs up. Finally, evangelize the truth to Facebook and all social media by sharing this video across all platforms. Thank you for watching. Please also view YahwahSacredScriptures.org to view the latest and most accurate publication of the Bible to date, with the sacred name restored to both Old and New Testaments.